Hello everyone, in front of me is REALME GT7 and let me show you how to free up storage without deleting apps. So if you need to free up some space, there are several things that you can do. Let's start with cleaning the cache. To do it, just open the settings, then find and select apps. Here go to app management and now select apps that you use the most. Let me open files, for example, and go to storage usage. Okay, so actually the cache has been cleaned here recently. Let me try this one. Okay, so it looks like it's quite clean here. Maybe you will find at least one with this tab active. Okay, so for example here, just mark clear cache and that's it. So this is the first step. Do it for each app of yours to make sure that all unnecessary stuff is removed. So that's the first step. Then let's open downloads. So let me open files, go to downloads and remove all unnecessary stuff here. Just mark it, tap on delete and confirm, then remove it also from recently deleted because it's not worth to have it on your device. It will also slow down your phone a bit. So now let's open the settings again. From main settings list, go to system, not system and updates, but about device, and here go to storage. And now tap on cleanup to clean up some space. Just give it a couple of seconds. As you can see, you can go through the details and mark clear. Okay, so let's go back. And now, okay, so let me just go back to main screen. And now, as it's REALME, you can also open Phone Manager. And here, go to Cleanup and Storage. So that's the same panel that we've got opened recently, but still here you can check everything. You can go through videos, and if you want to remove something, you will be able to do it from here as well. Let's go back. Now mark System Boost and mark Boost now. As you can see, it can also be freed up. So it has been done, mark done. Also just perform a quick viruses and risk scan, because also if there's any malware detected, it will be easily deleted and it will also not slow down your device. But as you can see, everything is okay here. So basically that's it. This is how you can speed up your device, how you can not speed up but free up some space. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.